guys, check this out. Today I'm going to introduce another car to you all. This EQ1120GA Dongfeng 6-ton special transportation vehicles is equipped with a Cummins DC 21,013 inches, featuring a maximum power of 155 kilowatts. It can start stably at a -41 low temperature, capable of undertaking transportation tasks in cold regions and various scenarios. With a total weight of 12.8 tons and a rated load of 6 tons, equipped with a dual secure air brake system for safety assurance. Its maximum speed reaches 107 km/h, enabling efficient material transfer and meeting personal carrying requirements. If you want to know more about EQ1120GA, welcome to consult Yunnan Motor Automobile.